Some other guy now, taking our love away from me. Oh, now, some other guy now, taking away my sweet, sweet love. Oh, now, some other guy now, well, I just don't want him on my mind. Oh, now, I'm the lonely one.
Oh, Ronnie, that's wonderful. I'll tell you what. You see, you're getting all these wonderful movements, but you're not quite concentrating on the microphone.
Yeah.
We don't want to lose that. Under no circumstances must we lose all this. But you'll have to start working on that microphone to get the words over. Then, of course, if you had an orchestration, the band would play half a chorus. When the band come in with half a chorus, then you've got that.
Yeah.
Shall we try it just once quickly from the top?
Yes.
Just right, once more below.
Right. Some other guy now, taking our love away from me. Oh, now, some other guy now, taking away my sweet, sweet love. Oh, now, some other now, just don't want him on my mind. Oh, now, I'm a lonely one, lonely as I can be. Oh, now, oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a boy, right?
Some other guy now, taking our love away from me. Oh, now, some other guy now, taking away my sweet, sweet love. Oh, now, some other guy now, well, I just don't want him on my mind. Oh, now, I'm a lonely one, lonely as I can be. Oh, now, yeah.
Who are some of these people who come along to you wanting to be pop singers?
Well, of course, they're all different types. The worst one is the one who thinks they're a star because mum and dad and aunt and uncle said, you're wonderful in the front room. Or they sing at a party, you see, and everyone says, oh, you're much better than Cliff Richards or someone like that. Now, that person comes along and you've got to knock that right out of their head for a start and start them from the beginning, to try and find what they can really do without having this opinion that they can do it anyway, but they just want me to say that they can do it. Very rarely anyone can come along and they are ready-made.
Before these people come and take the course, do they have to satisfy certain basic requirements? Like, I mean, is a musical knowledge essential?
No, it's a great help. I mean, it's a great help if someone can come along and they say, I sing so-and-so number in so-and-so key. It's a great help if there's some idea of that. Very few have. But after a little tuition, and if they want to learn music, serious music, with their voice training, we'll teach them music.
Sweets for my sweet, sugar for my honey, your first sweet kiss from me so...
No. No, Charlie, you're doing very nicely, but you're far too stinted. You're not relaxed. You see, this here is sort of hard. I'll just show you, if I can, how I think it should be to be nice and relaxed. Yeah. Here we go. Charlie. Sweets for my sweet, sugar for my honey, da-da-da-da-da-dee-dee-dee. You know, something like that. Nice and happy and relaxed. We'll give you some, Miss Clark will give you some exercises for next week, and we'll see how we get on.
Yeah, thanks.